this out, executives announced that they are holding a special little meeting that has to do with shareholders allowing the board to carry out a potential reverse stock split in the range of 1 for 5 or 1 for 10. While the exact date and time of the meeting have not been set yet, the chief executive, Sue Gove, stated right here that our proposal for a reverse stock split will enable us to continue rebuilding liquidity to execute our turnaround plans and better position the company financially. Shaw, what would this reverse stock split mean for shares in this meme stock for the short term?
I'm going to punt to Kenny on that. What I think it means is a whole lot of nothing. I think it's some financial engineering to try and get a higher stock price, so it doesn't look like it's heading for the dustbin. I don't know if it's going to be effective in terms of bringing attention as far as building up equity. I don't think that that's going to cause a rush of equity investors to bid up the stock. Maybe they try and do a secondary on or something like that. I don't think it's going to work. And as far as trading goes, I'm absolutely 100% going to punt to Kenny on that.
All right. Well, hey, let's bring Kenny on, because Kenny and I were talking sauce recipes on Friday at the close. And Kenny, right after we perfected our recipes, Bed Bath & Beyond dropped 23% after market when it closed on Friday. So are you looking for maybe a VWAP reversal trade to this one on the upside?
I'll actually use the Shaw term. I haven't touched Bed Bath & Beyond with a 20-foot pole. That thing it's so dead. I took it off my watch list. I took it off all my scanners. I mean, ScanMan doesn't even look at it. So it's dead money. But here's the thing. I've been trading for 30 years, and I think most of us can attest to this. Reverse stock splits are the death of the stock. All they're doing is raising the price artificially, so then we can come along and short it right back to where it came from. I have never witnessed a stock split other than MicroStrategy when they restructured the company 28 years ago that actually survived. So there was Doral Bank. I could go through the whole list of it. This is the dry ships of retail right now, if you guys remember dry ships. But all it is it's a reverse stock split. They raise the price artificially so that we can get more liquidity to short it. So if there's anything going to be doing in Bed Bath & Beyond, it's going to be a short. But here's the thing. Every once in a while, the reverse stock split takes liquidity away from the name, and then the short squeeze does ensue. Doral Bank, if you guys remember Doral, right before the first banking crisis, they're the ones who started it. You don't even remember Doral. But they did a reverse stock split from 30 cents to $3. The stock went to $35 2 days later and then to zero. So again, you do have some weird stuff that goes on when the reverse stock splits, but normally this is just another, nail in the coffin for Bed Bath & Beyond.
Yeah, so it looks like this is not going to be the saving grace for the company, more like a falling face with that stock split. All